Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who is your baby daddy?
Juan.
ngathi jwang hayi mhlawumbe ukuthi siyalwa noma sekumele manje u-overthink ukuthi what's happening uyabo kodwa nje nawe when you get a chance ngathi nje ujwang kungonakele lutho nje clear like crystal ukuthi nje jwang bese ubheka le athi uthi hey manje yena ngoba
Like Usweet Guluva is asking for a DNA from Ashley for baby Enzo to confirm if the child is his or not. If you will remember well guys, Mamacita Ashley posted a video 14 February Valentine's Day celebrating Valentine's. I cannot baby K, and we welcome to baby K. We love baby K here. But today Sweet Guluva just issued a statement on his Instagram stories saying yena nefamily yakhe have been requesting for a paternity test from Ashley nefamily yakhe, and nothing has been happening, and they've taken the issue with lawyers and so forth because Ashley uthe mebuzwa uba ngubani baby daddy wathi jwang. So yeah, so that's it guys.
Did you guys see the statement Sweet Guluva's team or management released on his Instagram? Did you guys see the statement? Yeah, ne? Yeah. Like, it's a lot. Like, I'm asking myself, what would nigga deny that that's his child and say ukuthi ufuna ukuthi Ogle ayenze i-paternity test to see ukuthi the child is his or not? And obviously, as a woman, being pregnant and you tell me ukuthi wena, yeah, I need to see a paternity test, that's my child. Obviously, ngizodeny, ngizothi angifuni, because what do you mean? I was busy with you all this time, and then when I'm pregnant, when uyazimangaza manje ukuthi you the father of the child, what do you mean? And then they're saying ukuthi Usher Ogles doesn't want them to meet the family, to what Zulu traditions, whatever. If uthe wena akusumntwana akusofunani, why ufuna ukumitha umntwana ufunelani? Hapha ngisho the family kaZulu tradition is met fucking umndeni umitha umntwana if uyazi vele ukuthi umntwana wabo, and they see ama resemblance lento le bayichecka ukuthi umntwana wabo now whatever that thing. If they agreed and they did culture ukuthi bayobona umntwana babhali letter ukuthi okay siyavuma ukuthi we did the damages blah 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 blah. They didn't do that, so what would they expect to Ashley Ogle and her family to say to agree? Umntwana wakhe angasha ne 3 months uthi hey ya ngenani mphenduleni mpetuleni boneni uthi ya umntwana phile wenu manje. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, yes, ngiyayifunda le statement and I'm like, what? Like, ngicela ngithi Aish, babafana, ushilo Kayembe wathi boys will leave you in the desert without water. Sathuna manga, because what is that? Yeah, I shame.
So the drama between Usweet Guluva and Ashley is not coming to an end anytime soon. So shortly after Usweet Guluva released a statement, Ashley responded to his claim where she was basically saying that she did not deny him access to the child, and this comes after Usweet Guluva said he reached out to Ashley but was denied access. So Ashley is just like, nope, that's not true. And she's saying that the only time that he reached out was after she gave birth. She's saying that he was not even involved in her pregnancy or the birthing experience. He only reached out after she gave birth to say that he wanted to be on the birth certificate. And Ashley is saying that she was uncomfortable to meet him after giving birth. Ashley is basically saying that her culture was disrespected, even her family was disrespected. She endured bullying and harassment, and now Usweet Guluva is questioning the paternity of her child. And she's basically saying that she has cut off all communication with him and she will now deal with him through her legal team. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and thank you very much for watching this video.
After God, Fearman, Sweet Guluva just released a statement. Guys, if you went through the statement and wayifunda yonke, please come back to my comment section and ungibalansise. Make the statement make sense to me. Cause what do you mean? The guy is saying ugel ubekanqaba ukuthi abe iphathi yomntwana, right? I think the statement said ubengafuni ukuthi ugeli abe iphathi yomntwana ne kabe kunqiqi ubekafuna ukuthi abazali bakhe becontact nama parents ka Ashley for the damages. Kabe kunqiqi he wants to do paternity. He's like to ensure that he's the real father of this child. Nakon this child. Hayibo guys, kanti abafana banjani? Hayi guys, aningibalansise mhlawumbe yimo ungasazi isingisi. And actually Ashley also released a statement. If uhambe wafunda a statement ka Ash, everything will make sense. And come back to my comment section and tell me what's going on.
Sweet Guluva released a public statement. Kakhanya mabaribari ya ngwana wa ha Ashley gore hey we khanetsa ngwana o ira ranting Instagram now. Ke ne ke tlo so post fa ke le ba le sone so se tele ba re hey.
Sweet Guluva has finally broken his silence over rumors that he might be Ashley's baby daddy, or claims that he's an absent father. He released a statement that he posted on his Instagram stories from his management, addressing the claims. So part of the statement reads, in addressing the rumors of the child, Sweet Guluva has since the beginning of 2025 privately requesting Miss Ogle, who claimed to have been impregnated by Sweet Guluva, to allow him to meet the child and for his family to visit Miss Ogle's family to address the issue of damages in accordance with Zulu culture. During these interactions with Miss Ogle, it was made clear by Sweet Guluva that he wants to be involved in the child's life. To date, Sweet Guluva has neither met nor seen the child in person, as Miss Ogle is refusing to accede to the request. The statement further says that until Miss Ogle allows Sweet Guluva and his family to meet the child in person and be permitted to do a paternity test, it would be irresponsible of Sweet Guluva at this stage to confirm or deny that he's the father of Miss Ogle's child. His team has stepped in to resolve this matter, and they're saying that he won't run away from his responsibilities. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and thank you very much for watching this video.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ayi February ungubani naso mhla ka-14 February kuyo lenyanga uAshley Ogle uposte mntwana ke Shem uBaby K for the first time. Besoloku ke kunema rumors ukuthi she's pregnant. Wamposta ngeValentine umntwana ke celebrating iValentine na boyzini wakhe ke sana, and bantu abaningi basoloku bafuna kwade ukuthi kahle mntwana lona wabani, because abantu bebamatadata na Sweet Guluva Big Brother winner isizini 5 ke sana. So bambudile nalapha because bebaku live ngalesikhathi bamnika ama gift emntwana bathi who's your baby daddy, and she was like Juang, yabona nje ukuthi Juang. And uSweet Guluva ukhipha statement itolo asho ukuthi uqele bakabo Ashley na Ashley ukuthi ufuna ama DNA wemntwana since bathi umntwana wakhe, and they are refusing, and people are saying ukuthi uSweet Guluva ujwayela Ashley kabi wayafuna ma DNA wayanga angathembi ukuthi umntwana wakhe likhana mbhebha Ashley bekacabanga ukuthi ngiyowendekani. So there are people who are actually dragging uSweet Guluva saying ukuthi ngathi we've made the wrong person famous lana uyamnyela njena ku Ashley, but there are people who are actually defending uGuluva ukuthi hayibo guys kahleni une right mfana ngokuthi ucela ma DNA kugele, since futhi kwaba nema rumors ukuthi ugele uke wachithela uSweet Guluva. So lungelo lakhe ukuthi aqele ma-DNA. Hey yabona guys, leti ngito tindzaba letingafuni kahle kahle kungenwa ngilabanye abantu, because we don't know ukuthi umntwana wakhe wakhe, we don't know who's right, who's wrong. Hey guys, tindzaba tebantu ave tihlupha. But do comment your thoughts on down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.